Hello. So, I swear, I have only weirdest defects. So, what problem it has? From time to time, it not shut down, but sleeping, because this button, this LED from power button, became blinking. And if I press here, nothing happened. And it's happened immediately when going to the Windows, or maybe after, I don't know, 1 hour of working. So I say, let's open. After I put Windows, after I take out the battery, which is not original one, it's a replaced one, compatible one. And when I disassembly, I noticed here something, you see, just right on top of the keyboard. And look at that. You see, here we have some liquid in the past, and it formed oxide. And what do you think? This is, as you can see, is not power button. Power button is here with flash cable to here. But here we have a transistor with a Hall effect for closing the lid. Okay? And this one to become contact here and put it on sleep, the notebook. Anywhere else, it's perfect, almost perfect clean mainboard. Everywhere. Yeah? Some dust, some minor dust, I don't clean it. Only here we have this problem. And I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure that I'll clean here and it will work in perfect. I can't tell you how many hours I spend updating the BIOS, changing the SSD, changing the memory RAM, take out the battery, changing the power adapter, changing the Windows, and so on. Anyway, just because this. Thanks for watching. Bye.